This is just a very quick video to explain what the GoPrep template website is. So as you may know already, you can connect your GoPrep menu to any website. If you already built this site, that's great. All you need to do is link your menu up to a button. But if you did want a new site, or if you're just starting out, we do offer a really great professionally designed website. So here it is in front of us now, and we'll send you a small list of items we need to collect, such as your logo, your brand colors, and some photos, and we'll simply plug those in. So this would have your logo, your About Us information, your meal images, your testimonials and reviews, and we'll even pull the images from your Instagram. So you have a really great looking professional website, very inexpensively, and it only takes about 2 weeks to set up. If you're interested in getting this set up for your store, shoot an email over to help@goprep.com and we'll get you started.